This side I want to see.
And
This side of the wall is looking so good with this trees. Amazing.
So 900, what 900? Wait, when is it?
Yeah, you can go down.
how? Oh
Look
yeah.
at safety management on this here. It's a bit raw, huh? So child is running here somewhere. Not so good, huh?
And it's a stone, see? So big stone.
Yeah.
Over there is direct.
But
Over there is direct. This
what's flat?
deep,
I mean,
deep, not
over
flat.
there,
Yeah.
a bit,
I don't want to go here.
a bit. But I was very strong like this. It's very strong. When it's like greenish, and it's already too.
Over there is
It's
much more
still,
good.
it's so nice. Brown is looking not so deep, but the sound is very good. Huh? Till the half of the body, no? Where he's going.
Come.
It's not so bad.
The place we choose today is good. Hmm?
It's high from there. So from there you can. One more. One more. Một chiếc xong rồi mà. Hiếu.
See, come here. So looking so good. See?
See how sunny it could be if this shit cloth is not there.
Here we go.
Very sunny.
We go from this side, no? Oh no.
We are coming from here, I think.
No, we are coming from the other side. But we can go like this. We can go like this, Adamish.
No, I don't think so. Red. That red. Yep, that's the smell of a dead little body. Nice body. Red. There's like a stairs going down. The stairs is in front of this ugly building. What the fuck they go there?
From here.
It doesn't look like that. We could go these stairs and then go up the stairs and see how it leads us to go. Not recording. What do you want to record? This ugly building? There is not so much.
Here is greenish, stonish wall looking so good.
Not much.
Yeah, exactly. The front.
Give me a bag.
Come. Don't do yourself. On the time recording like this. Correct. Go on the right side. Hello. Okay. They're going so slow, eh? Oh, they're talking. Oh, that's the good car, this motherfucker. This is from Germany. Left one is from Germany. Leverkusen. He's from Leverkusen. Oh, he's stuck. Dog. See how he says ours? Come, what is your problem? You want a bit now or what? See how he knows our? I know from Leverkusen, Germany. I see on his plate. Catch you. But Liga has the money, Euro has the good car. Liga has a lot of tattoos and the good car.
How you know?
Eh?
How you know?
What, he has the money?
Mm-hmm.
Because I see his car, you don't see his car?
How much is this car cost?
That's not problem. That is the good car. What is SUV is always gonna be a bit more. And he take this color. The color of the car is like expensive, extra color. And when you look at him, his appearance, everywhere tattoos like this. People have somehow money. They can. And the good business and making the money. Not sitting playing the PC the whole day, eh? Like, what the fuck is doing a German here from Leverkusen? And he does not have the money, he's not coming here. They are even shipping his car over here. Bringing his car like he's a Polish. Ah, ja. But some people don't even have the money to afford a holiday like us. Like the neighbor. Neighbor would say, nah, it's expensive, nah. You go for this cheap place. If we are working, then we can afford much more. And we can keep living like this with the salary of one and even saving a bit of money on top of that. And the whole salary of the second one we can save. You know what I mean? Because now you're working doesn't mean we're gonna have more expenses. It's just we're gonna saving every month gonna save the salary of the other one. And let's see. Ceremony don't make a little bubble. But she's saying something, they're recording her.
Nine.
She's talking something about me. Better you should start looking where we need to go.
Up.
Maybe that's this group of German we see yesterday. What's that? Oh, it smells so good. The green.
Student Nachtmarkt.
Naschmarkt.
No. There is Andre Markt.
You better start looking where we need to go.
Up.
Yeah, up is so good. Look at that mountain.
We don't remember this tree.
This I remember now.
হ্যাঁ তো
Now I know. More or less. They are not so tired like yesterday. Yesterday we was walking so much, huh?
This golden beach is so far away.
Okay. Today we don't need anything. Sleeping alone.
Come.
Was here, are you sure? It's just coming.
It's up over there. The Frida Kahlo.
Because we're going like zigzag. Over there we was walking the whole way here. Okay,
Oh God, I know the way from this.
okay now we're on that. We could just start here and there or something.
Even the umbrella, I remember, is over there in the black umbrella.
A little chair, I remember. This tree here. This is okay. Oh. ये बेंटी माता
Come, in the left side. Here.
my boat.
With Frida Kahlo. Let's go.
बाबू के हेल्थ असर में
Nah, in the left side. With the stone, it getting harm.
small things taking a bit. They took a good rest. Oh, this palm I like so much. This one, huh? Remember in Cuba.
Let's go.
The historic song of here, what do you want to recall?
See the in the road who is there? Meow. Who is this? Who is this?
There's nothing special about it. Ah, the cause of the You can see this fits to it.
This is yours.
No. Want to take it?